Kuringana na riboti ya ica ikuhi kuma kuri ruhonge rwa ndari bururi-ini KNBS, bururi wa Kenya wendirie indo cia muigana wa bilioni 541.5 nja ya bururi ukiringithanio na indo cia muigana wa trilioni 1.7 iria wagurire kuma na nja. Na ni kumana na undu uyu riu ministry ya iganda na wonjoria yanirire kumba ruhonge rwa kugacirithia wendia wa indo nja ya Kenya na niguo guthingathinga ihoro riri.
Of the 600 billion worth of goods that we export, only 10 countries account for 70% of that. So we want to diversify the markets. So what we have done in the recent past, you have seen, led by none other than His Excellency the President and his deputy and ministers for foreign affairs and others, we've been aggressively going out to the markets to make sure we secure more markets.
Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya iganda na wonjoria Chris Kipto augite muhinga munene uria ukoretwo ukigumira indo cia Kenya thoko-ini nene cia kimabũrũri ni hamwe na ikiro cia iguru cia mabataro ma thoko.
More of our products now are being subjected to more inspection, and it's because they have seen traces of some of the products which or this, diseases or whatever that are in levels which cannot be accepted in that market. So they have asked us to up the game, and we're working. We now have a program called MACA program.
Kipto aritio hindi ya kuruguria mitaratara wa mwaka umwe wa ruhonge rwa guthorima wagiriru wa mimera rwa KEPHIS na kuria ruhonge ruru rwiranire kunyitanira na ministry ya iganda na niguo kwandandura mieke ya thoko na njira kiumbe indo iria ciumanaga na urimi.
KEPHIS will continue to ensure the quality of agro inputs, including seeds, fertilizers, water for irrigation suitability, soils and pesticide formulations. The corporation shall also put in place a research unit to work with other research agencies as a complement in the fight against introduction of harmful organisms into the country.
Ihinda-inĩ riu gavana wa Uasin Gishu Jackson Madago ikite ihoya kuri thirikari gukorwo ikiongerera kigina kia urimi kuri thirikari cia matura akiuga ukunderu wa kigina niguo koretwo cungiriirie kuhotoma kwa ruhonge ruru.
The challenge we have, and that is why we need extension service, is most of the time when we go for public participation, farmers would want to go for infrastructural development because people don't really look at the soft issues of training as a means of enhancing productivity.
Urimi guko bururi-ini ukoragwo gicangira gukoragwo tonga wa bururi na gicunjĩ kia 26 harĩ igana.